In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply add a second YouTube channel if you found you want to start doing some vlogging or something that's in a different niche to your current YouTube channel. I would highly recommend separating it and creating a second YouTube channel just to keep it separated, and you can find a new audience for your new YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how to simply add a new channel and link it to your main channel, this is the video for you. Let's jump on the computer. Alright guys, so we're on my YouTube channel here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can add a second YouTube channel using the same email account. Personally, I think this is just easier. If you do want me to show you how to do it with a new email, let me know in the comment section down below. But it's really simple. You just go straight up here to your little profile here, and we want to click on settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and choose add or manage channels. And then straight away from here, you go ahead and you want to click on create a new channel. Okay, and straight away you want to create a brand account, which in this case we do. So you want to choose the brand account name. So this is going to be your YouTube channel name. For this, we're just going to go ahead and call it Simplicity Video. Okay, and then we want to go create. Okay, and that has taken us straight to our new YouTube channel, and that is really that simple. And then from here, you want to go ahead and set up your YouTube channel correctly. If you haven't checked out my video, how to set up a successful YouTube channel, I will link it in the cards and in the description. Definitely go ahead and check that out. Right guys, that was a quick video of showing you how to add a second YouTube channel to your existing YouTube channel. This may seem like something that most people already know how to do, but I thought it'd be great to show you guys exactly how I do it, and just to show you a reason to add a second YouTube channel if you want to separate your videos and of course reach a new audience by creating a whole new YouTube channel. If you want to start creating different types of videos, I would highly recommend always separating your videos, because you don't want to start losing subscribers by completely changing your videos and frustrating the subscribers that you already have. It's best to separate it, keep it nice and tidy. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Creator Nation if you haven't already. And if you did enjoy this video, I know you'll love these other videos. Go ahead and check those out, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.